That, y'all. How cool is that? Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. That is freaking cool. Let's see what happened to my crappies. Good morning, everyone. Charlie here, once again on the water as always. We are going on a crappie run in the creeks. See if we catch some crappie. Tomorrow's going to be a catfish day. It's going to be a bit windy today, but we're going to give it our shot. I'm going to use obviously some my minnows. Can't go wrong with minnows. I got them right there. And some jigs. Well, let me tell you, that was a cool sight. That was pretty sweet. But getting to my spot, there's obviously been some people here, so they're probably doing some research. Yeah, we're gonna see if there's some fish that's still down there, because all them birds were probably pooping everywhere. Let's catch some fish, y'all. All right, y'all, before I throw a minnow out, I'm gonna rig this up. These are two of my favorite colors. I'm gonna do a double setup. It's not that deep here, so I'm gonna do a double setup, and I'm gonna start with the jig first, just to see if I can get any little Crappolas excited. Now, what was cool seeing all those birds here. That was freaking sweet. In all my years coming here as a kid, never seen them all that many all at once, that close. All right, here we go. All right, check it out, y'all. I'm about to do my first cast. I got a double jig set up. Got them pretty close just because it's not that deep here. And I'm not even gonna cast. I'm gonna do what I normally do right here. And all I'm gonna do is jig it up and down. Check it out, first time. Come on, fishy. I don't know if all that bird commotion scared them away. Would have been cool if those birds were on the other side. Alright, so straight down is not working like normal, so I'm going to go ahead and cast on out. See what we can catch out there. Just going to bounce it off the bottom there. There's something definitely chasing the fish. Come on, fishy. Alright, I'm gonna try some live bait. Y'all got a live minnow on there. Go straight down. Right here, it's about 2.5 feet deep. See if that does anything. Might have to go deeper. Come on, fishy. Come on, take it. Take it, fishy. Come on, fish. They're acting cute today. Got him, yo. Got him. Got the first one of the day. Oh. What is that? Oh, I think that is a catfish. Yep, a catfish, y'all. We'll take them. Nice fish. First one of the day, y'all. Little kitty cat. Nice channel. There he is, y'all. Nice little channel. We'll take it. I figured there'd be a lot more catfish since all them birds were in the area. So you know them birds, they'd be pooping. So, alright, y'all, I'm gonna put him on the stringer. Alright, about to send the second minnow on out there. I just keep hearing stuff in the grass. And I've encountered hogs, big old deer, and some coyotes here in the past. So I gotta be careful of my surroundings. Got him, y'all. Got a little nice little cat again. Yeah, I figured they'd be out full force today. And the channels, you gotta be careful because they will tear you up. What's up, everybody? I'm on a different spot. Those birds earlier scared everything away. It's a little bit windier on this side, so I apologize for the wind, but we'll see. Lots of cats on the other end, so I'm gonna try this side, see what happens. All right, y'all, I'm in a different location. Had to hike quite a bit. I'm gonna try some minnows here. I'm about 1.5 foot down. See what happens. We might have something here. Oh yeah, finally. What is it? It is a nice little drum for bait that I need. Check it out, y'all. Heck yeah, on the minnow. Heck yeah. Yep, I'm gonna use them for some fresh bait for tomorrow. Heck yeah. Alright, y'all, my bobber has disappeared again. Let's see. Got him, y'all. Oh yeah. Ooh, it came off. Oh no, he's on there. What is it? What is it? A cat? Oh, a nice little cat. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see that bad boy? Woo. Nice cat. Over here where the stringer's at. It hit really quick. Come here, buddy. Nice little channels. Crappie bite's been really slow today. This is a nice little channel. Beautiful colors. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, beautiful. That, y'all. See how gorgeous that thing is? That beautiful freaking nice eater. Yeah. You know where he's going. Alright, 2 fish on this end. So the wind's blowing this way, that's why I decided to change spots, and it looks like it's panning out to be the right decision because we gotta move around. Let's do it again, y'all, on the minnows. What's up, everybody? It's a wrap once again. A slow day on the crappie side. I caught 3 cats, let one go, kept these 2 eaters. There's a couple over here that want them, so I'm going to give it to them in a second. But other than that, slow day. I did find this just floating, so I'm definitely use that for bait tomorrow. Caught me a nice little drum. So as always, be safe. See you on the water.